Hi friends, this is Sumanth. You're watching Sumanth Latest Tech. See, you can see my overall views and total subscribers. I have 400 subscribers with 3525 views. If you still did not get subscribed to my YouTube channel, click on this red color subscribe button, and after that click on this bell icon to get notification of my every YouTube video which I am doing. Hi friends, in this video I am going to tell you about two new Google apps. First one, Google Handwriting, and second app is Google Neighborly. Today I am going to tell you about these both Google apps. And first of all, open Play Store, and after opening Play Store, slide down. Here you can see user choice award. You can vote for the best app and for the best game which you like this year. See friends, these are the apps which are available for the voting. So my vote is for Google Pay. I have voted for Google Pay, and the best game I have voted for PUBG Mobile. You can vote, only one vote is available for one app and for one game. You can vote for both app and one game. This is by Google itself. And search Google Handwriting and install this app. I have already installed this app. Now I am opening. Here you can see how to enable some permissions, and you have to download which language you want to use. Now we have to check whether it is working or not. Before that, we have to change your default keyboard to Google Handwriting input. So now we can check how it's working. Yeah, this app is very good to use. Any letters, words, symbols, anything it recognizes easily. You can type. Now in any app which we are using keyboard, that will be default. So now I'll show you again. Yeah, like this you can write numbers, in every app which we are using keyboard. This will be replaced by Google Handwriting keyboard only. If you want to change this, you can simply change this to Google keyboard if you don't like it. If you want to use this, again slide down, change this to Google Handwriting input. Here you can use this. Now I am going to show you about my next app about Google Neighborly. Search Google Neighborly. See friends, this app is not at all released, but you can early accessly download this app. So I have downloaded this Google Neighborly app. Open it. See friends, first of all you have to select the location here, and you have to log in with your Gmail. See friends, in this app you can ask any questions in your location, so they can be easily answered by another viewers. So I'm asking a question, a simple question. Which mall is the best mall in Vizag? See friends, now this will be reached to many of our neighbors near Vizag of my near Vapagunta. So my 4 questions which I have asked before were being answered. See friends, like this the answers you'll get. This is my first question which I have asked, and this is the second question which I have asked. We will get the answers as soon as possible. Yeah, for my third question, the response is very good. The best movie theaters in Vizag. Have got many replies. So we can ask any questions and we can answer other questions also. See friends, if you want to answer any of these questions, you can simply answer. You can just simply answer by clicking. Like this you can answer simply. You can ask questions, you can answer the questions also. So this will be very useful, which I am thinking. If you want to know about this app settings and all, just click on this left corner, and I have followed 6, I have asked 6, and I have answered 4 questions. Yeah, these are the settings for this app. You can change them according to your wish, but I think so this is a very good app. This is a regional app by Google, but this is not released. I have earned 2 medals also from Google. One is helpful and another one is curious, and more I will unlock soon. This is all I will unlock sooner, and I like this app very much. Why? Because I can answer the different questions from same region only, and I can, if I have any doubts, I can post the question directly publicly, which many people can easily can see and answer my questions. Friends, this is all about the 2 Google apps which I would like to show you. I have showed them all the features and the settings. Now I think so the video length is more, which you have expected before YouTube videos. So I'm requesting you to watch the full video if you haven't watched or skipped the video. And my next video will be on PUBG Mobile. So watch the full video. The video length may be more than 20 minutes, which I'm going to post the PUBG live streaming of Aragal match. So don't miss that live streaming of PUBG Mobile. Within 3 days I'm going to post that video. So if you really like my video, or if you want to tell me any suggestions regarding my YouTube channel, comment me down below the video, so I can get notified easily. If you still did not get subscribed to my YouTube channel, click on this subscribe option and share my videos to your friends and WhatsApp groups, so I can get more subscribers and more views. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you all like my YouTube video. Thanks for watching.